Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Instagram and play a story, reel, or video to hear default audio. Use the speaker icon at the top right to mute or unmute quickly. Adjust device volume with buttons or the control center slider for fine levels. Tap the three dots, then tap Audio to view original sound options. Save any audio by tapping Save Audio to access it later in the tab. If audio is missing, check Do Not Disturb and App Permissions in Settings. Using headphones can change stereo balance. Check left and right levels. Create a story by swiping right and capture video or upload from camera roll. Tap the sticker icon and select music to browse tracks and search artists. Choose a 15-second or custom segment and drag the waveform to select timing. For Reels, open the Reels camera, then tap Audio to browse trending sounds. Use the slider to set music volume relative to original audio for balance. Tap Add to Story or use downloaded audio to apply to multiple clips. Respect copyright and only use licensed tracks. Use original audio for dialogue and lower music to -6 decibels for clarity. Layer sounds by recording in clips and using the Align tool for timing. Save a sound with Save Audio and find it under the Music tab later. If music fails, check region restrictions or update the app to the latest version. Mute someone else's reel by tapping the speaker icon or using device mute. Use captions or subtitles when music masks important spoken words in videos. Experiment with 3.5-inch jack adapters or Bluetooth codecs if audio sync issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.